Hello, knife people. From the starting of this season, 1.5 months passed, and my top 3 favorite knives are nearly determined. Fox River. Wow. Patina. And TK2. No problem. And Model 125 Blackjack. As you see, sharpest. This knife I always hold like this, rounded, sharp, very generous. This balance is very good. In this holding, this flatness and roundness is very important. So stag, I don't like stag handle on this knife. Very good knife. Its handle good traction and guard very safe, and this belly angle very fast knife. I like this knife very much, along with custom handled F1, but this is a better knife for me. And Fox River, perfect knife for pinching, holding. Anyway, the most important point is edge sharpness and toughness and easy maintainability with this thing. Just a single minute is enough to maintain these edges. And when no need to film the processing, just a single knife with a single knife, I do it. And from the first to the last, on a big stag, it stays sharp, you know. But Scandi edge is not enough. One single Scandi edge knife is not enough for a single stag, big stag, you know. In the middle, it goes dull substantially. I feel it. But now, scary sharp, no problem. 01 Enzo Trapper. And the carbon, Temano. It's okay. However, at the end of a single gear processing, not okay. So, in my opinion, convex edge is far superior to the Scandi edge. Anyhow, maintenance, Scandi edge, I use strap, only strap, not waterstones. 1 minute, easy maintenance. However, convex is better. Anyhow, I am a knife user and collector or researcher. So I have so many knives for collection or for researching, and the voyage knives. Back small traditional hunter, back simulated Japanese imitation knife. Japan. Super sport. Comfortable. Nearly the same. Cutting edge length. And my favorite, back light max. And what one folder. I haven't sharpened after use because it takes time. I don't like it. Strapping 1 minute. However, it will take a couple of minutes for a single knife. Anyhow, I must do it from now. Starting from 400 chosa, it cuts very fast, so I must take care not to grind too much. Basically, factory edge is 30 degrees, relatively high, like this. This can be enough. The problem is edge portion. Factory edge is shining, but stone edge is not shining. Okay. Very is important. Gradually changing the sharpening angle, knife angle, gradually, and raising, sharpening the tip close to the tip. Now 15, and gradually right hand up. Okay. I must spare time. This knife, initial sharpening for the next hunt. This side, okay. My sharpening angle tends to be shallower than factory edge because I'm used to making the initial shallow angled edge for convexing. Okay, this is the factory angle. Okay. This has micro problem here. But that micro problem didn't get the cutting capability down. so I don't care about it very much. Okay. Next, 1000. Sorry, 800 in my case. I prefer fast sharpening, so I chose 800. This sharpening is very important, I think, removing the micro serrations made by 400 initial stone. So, for me 800, but regularly 1000 is the most important waterstone to sharpen the edge. I made the same angle on each knife, so it's easy not to change stones but to change knives on the same stone. As I said, this stone 800 or 1000 is the keystone for sharpness in my opinion. Good slurry on it, so I'll keep it. It's 2000. Finishing. regularly 3000 will be preferable in my opinion. I'm a fast sharpener. Anyway, compared to convex or scanning edge maintenance, this waterstone sharpening takes much time, nearly 20 minutes. I'm sorry, kind of long video. I don't do round motion recently, just straight motion. However, change the angle gradually. It keeps the beautiful belly in curve. Final stone, 5000. But it shaves the stone surface a bit. It's a very pricey stone. I must take care. Okay. Shaved a bit. Shave it again. I must take care about the angle. A bit higher results in shaving off the surface. Kind of digging. Shallow digging. No good. Wow, again. No good. Okay. Anyway, I'm not very good at waterstone sharpening. I highly depends on stropping, even for bridge knives. They have a genuine bridge each. It's a white compound. This is the sharpest. A bit higher again. These two knives. Not a convex edge, you know. So, okay, finished. Wow, it took much time. 26 minutes. I'm sorry. Okay, my voyage. Back right mark. Sharp. Back hunter. Back folding hunter. Wow, sharp. Rat one folder. No problem. Perfect. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.